Hi, it's Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy pair of earrings. All you need is some nylon cord, a wire protector, some scissors, and your beads. This is super exciting. I've been wanting to make this for, oh my God, months now. I just didn't have the time. Now, when you take your nylon cord off of the paper, it's going to have all these kinks in it. But if you pull maybe a little hard, all the kinks will fall out. I love this cord. This is a size 4. Now, don't get caught up in the cord size I'm using because it's going to depend on what beads you use for the earring. But I'll explain that in a little bit. But first, let me get all the kinks out. I'm going to be working on the very end of my cord so that I don't waste any. So when you do stretch out your cord, do not pull it here, because this juncture right here, the cord can rip off this little wire needle. So don't stretch there, just up to it, okay? Now that all of this is nicely pre-stretched and you got most of the kinks out, we can start. So if you have a bead stopper, I suggest using it because you won't lose anything. So just put that here, about maybe 3 inches from the end. What I see. Now we're going to string from the bottom of this earring. So I like it going from big to small. And these are really pretty sparkly crystals, so I'm going to string them on. Going from the bottom to the top. If you don't have any tools and you're just starting off beading as your new hobby, your new self-expressive, creative, set you on fire hobby, a life-changing journey that you could do for the rest of your life, and you don't have any tools yet, this might be the project for you. Because, like I said, you can do this just with scissors. All right. The only thing you need to know is what size cord you're going to use. Your cord has to fit through the beads twice, because we're going to come through this wire protector. And click cants, you're going to go up one leg and down the other leg. Get to the end. Okay. You went up one, and now we're going to go down. And back through all the beads. I love using nylon. It doesn't stretch. You can get it wet. You can wash it, especially when you have necklaces. It's really handy. So when you go back through the beads, I'm going to give you a little tip. It's best if you go through more than one at a time. It kind of speeds up the process. And if you want to go through one at a time, you surely can. Don't feel like you have to do it the way I'm doing it, but you should go back through the beads. Okay. This also makes the earring stronger because now we have reinforced it by going through the threads twice. So it went up and back down. Now you're going to take this, your wire protector, and you're going to squeeze the legs together. Push the beads up. Take that off. And then we're going to tie a little knot just like this to finish. I like that fringe that happens. So you can do an overhand knot where you take the two ends and you bring both of them through at the same time. Or if you find that challenging, you can tie a square knot. And that's like the way you tie your shoes. So take right over left and pull down, and left over right and pull down. And that's your earring. Check it out. Okay, but we're not done yet. You can put a little bit of glue on that knot. But I'm just going to tie one more surgeon's knot and I'll be done. Okay, so a surgeon's knot looks like this. The end comes over once, twice, and you pull. Now that's just to be safe. Okay. Now this thread will want to untwist after I cut it. I'll show you what I mean. It wants to untwirl. And so to stop that from this side, you should pinch it or tie a little knot at the end, and that'll stop it from untwirling. So just do that. You can burn it with a lighter. If you don't have a lighter, that's good. Now for this pair of earrings, you decide how long do you want your fuzzy piece. Okay, that's good. And you start doing that. So cute. And then to finish it off, you take your ear wire. You can do it with gems, pearls, as long as you can get your cord through twice. Look at that. Now, the thing is, nylon cord, look, it comes in so many colors. It comes in so many sizes. So what I would recommend is you make one of these sizers. We made this one. Just attach your cord just onto a piece of paper so you know. And then when it comes time to test your bead, and you're like, how many times does it fit? You pick like a number 2, for example. You grab your sample bead, you go up, you go down, and if it does that, you know that if it's a number 2, and then I will work my way up because I never want to use the thinnest cord possible. I always want to use the thickest without it being too hard to do. Okay, so go up, go down. Perfect. So then you go up to the 6. So another earring that I'm going to be working on next is one with my Bead Dad's beads. So I'm going to make an earring with these on it. And I'm going to probably use a dark brown thread. So I'll show you what that looks like later. For now, give this a shot. Comment and let me know what you think. If you have fun making it, I'd love to hear. Please like and subscribe. This is our 14th year on YouTube, and we hope you enjoy the things that we have to share. Aloha!